Good morning, students. Welcome back to Max Online class. How are you, students? I hope you all are fine and safe by God's grace. Students, have you all completed your homework? Okay. Are you learning the definitions? Students, you have to learn all the definitions, notes, everything. Okay. Then only you can attend the test. Okay. The previous class, what did you learn, students? Yeah, you have learned about the function, is it? There are also representation of functions you have learned, is it? Okay. Today, I am going to explain about types of function. Okay. Today, I am going to explain about types of function. Students, once again shall we recall about function? What is function? A relation f between two non-empty sets x and y is called a function from x to y. If for each x belongs to x, there exists only one y belongs to y, such that x comma y belongs to f. In other words, how can we say that each element in x has a image in B? Okay, every element or each element in x has a image in B means that is a function. Is it? Okay. Can you say some example about the function? Okay. Listen, students. Here, each element in x or every element in x has an image. Is it image of A is P? That also image of B is Q. Image of C is R. Therefore, it is a function. Okay. That also image also unique. Is it? Image of A is P. Image of B is Q. Image of C is R. Therefore, it is a function. Here also each element one has the image M. Next 2 has the image Q. 3 has the image Q. Therefore, it is a function. Each element in X has a unique image. Therefore, it is a function. Whether it is a function, it is not a function. Why? The element B has, okay, the element B in A has two different images. B has two different images, Y and Z. Therefore, it is not a function. Okay. This everything already you have learned in the previous classes. Is it? Now, I am going to explain about types of function. Now, types of function. One function. One function. Types of function. Now, I am going to explain 5 types of function. Okay. Then afterwards, you will be learn some special types of function. Now, I am going to explain about the types of function. One function, many one function, onto function, into function, one and onto function. This everything I am going to explain that. Listen. A function f from A to B is called one function if distinct element of A have distinct image in B. Okay, distinct element of A have distinct image in B means that is one function. Okay, now one function, whether it is a function first. Yeah, it is a function. Every element, each element in A has a image. Is it? 1 has a image A, 2 has a image B, 3 has a image D, 4 has a image C. Therefore, it is a function. Is it? Why it is one function? Here, 1 has every element in A has different element in A has different images. The image of 1 is A. The image of 1 is A. The image of 2 is B. The image of 3 is D. The image of 4 is C. Okay. Therefore, different element in A has or distinct element in A has distinct image in B. Therefore, it is 1-1 function. Okay. 1-1 function. Listen, another one example I am saying. See, listen here. 1 has here another. Is this a function? Yes, it is a function. Is it? 1 has image B. 2 also has image B. 2 elements in A has same image in B. Is it? Therefore, it is not a 1-1 function. Okay. 1-1 function means distinct element in A has distinct image in B means that is a 1-1 function. Okay. Distinct element of A have distinct image in B. Okay. Distinct elements of A have distinct image in B means that is 1-1 function. This 1-1 function, another name is injection. 1-1 function, another name is injection. 1-1 function, another name is injection. Clear? 1-1 function means what? Distinct element in A has distinct image in B. Okay, distinct element in A has distinct image in B means that is a 1-1 function. Have you all understand this? Next, on to function. Next, many-one function. Next, many-one function. A function F from A to B is called many-one function if 2 or more elements of A have same image in B. Okay, if 2 or more elements of A have same image in B means that is a many-one function. That is a many-one function. Here 1 and 2 have same image in B. Is it? But here different element in A has one has one in the element 1 has a image A. Okay. Next 2 has image B. Next the image of 3 is D. The image of 4 is C. Different element in A has different image in B or distinct, different same meaning only. Distinct element in A have distinct image in B. Therefore it is 1-1 function. Here more than 2 or more elements of A have same image in B means that is a many-one function. Have you all understand about 1-1 function and many-one function? Okay. Now I am going to explain about onto function. Onto function. Onto function, another name is surjection. Okay. 1-1 function, another name what? Injection. Is it? Here onto function, another name is surjection. Onto function, another name is surjection. A function F from A to B is said to be onto function if the range of F is equal to the codomain of F. Range of F is equal to the codomain of F means that is a onto function. In other words, every element in the codomain B has a pre-image in the domain A. Listen students, here what is range? What are the elements having a pre-image? Here A has the pre-image. A has 2 pre-images. What are they? 1 and 2. B has only 1 image, 3. C has only 1 image, 4. Every element in B has a which one? Pre-image. Okay, any element does not have a pre-image? Not, is it? Every element in B has a pre-image. Therefore, we can say it is a onto function. Okay, a function f from a to b is said to be onto function if the range of f is equal to, here what is range? A, B, C is the range. Range is equal to codomain. Codomain also A, B, C. Okay. Range is equal to the codomain. A range is equal to the codomain. Means that is a onto function. Okay. A function f from A to B is said to be onto function if range of f is equal to the codomain of f. In other words, every element in the codomain B has a pre-image in A. Okay. Every element in B has a pre-image in A, means that is a which function? One onto function. Yeah. Before this one not a onto function. Why it is not a onto function? The element E does not have a pre-image. Okay, therefore it is not a onto function. Whether it is a onto function, this also not a onto function. Why? Why it is not an onto function? The element A and D does not have a pre-image in A. Therefore it is not a onto function. Have you all understand about that one and onto function? One function, any one function, onto function. Okay, now I am going to explain about into function. Listen, into function. Opposite of onto function. A function is not an onto function, that is said to be into function. Okay, that is a function f from A to B is called an into function if there exists at least one element in B which is not the image of any element of A. Okay, at least one element in B which is not the image of any element of A means that is a into function. Okay, at least one element in B which is not the image of any element of A. Okay, it means that is a into function. In other words, range of f is a proper subset of codomain. Here range is equal to the codomain, is it? Range is a proper subset of codomain, means that is a into function. Okay, with one example I am explaining this. Listen students, example 1, 2, 3, 4. A set A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B is A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, here A1 is mapping to A, 2 is mapping to B, 3 is mapping to D, 4 is mapping to C. Now, here what is codomain? What is codomain? Codomain is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F. What is range? Range. What are the elements in B have the pre-image? Okay, the A have the pre-image 1, B have the pre-image 2. Next C have the pre-image 4. Next D have the pre-image 3. E and F does not have a pre-image. Therefore, A, B, C, D only range. Is it? Now, here range is the proper subset of. Okay, proper subset means in 9th standard you have studied. Is it? Here A, B, C, D only having. Here A, B, C, D, E, F having. Is it? So, range is the proper subset of codomain. In onto function means range is equal to the codomain. Here range is the proper subset of codomain. Therefore, it is into function. Have you all understand about into function? range is not equal to codomain. Range is the proper subset of codomain means which function? Into function. Okay. Here whether it is into function? Yes, it is into function. Why? The element E does not have a preimage. Therefore it is a into function. Whether it is into function? Yes, it is also a into function. Which why A and D does not have a preimage. Have a preimage. Therefore it is also a which function? Into function. Have you all understand about into function? Any doubt? Okay. Next, 1 and into function. 1 and onto function. Another name is bijection. What's the other name of 1 function? Injection. Is it? What's the other name of 1 function? Injection. What's the other name of onto function? Surjection. Here 1 and onto function. Another name is bijection. Okay. Here in the name itself we can find out 1 and onto function means both 1 and onto function is called which one? 1 and onto function. Okay. 1 and onto function. Listen. Distinct element of A have distinct images in B. Already 1 function definition this only is it. What distinct elements of A have distinct images in B and every element in B has a preimage. Every element in B has a preimage. Means that is 1 and onto function. In other words, both 1 and onto function is called which one? 1 and onto function are bijection. Okay, bijection. One example, set A is 1, 2, 3. Set B is W, X, Y. Here 1 is mapping to W, 2 is mapping to Y. Next 3 is mapping to X. Okay. The image of 1 is W, the image of 2 is Y, the image of 3 is X. Here the distinct element, okay, 1 has only 1 image, is it? Okay, every element, distinct element in A has distinct image in B, as well as every element in B has a preimage, is it? Every element in B has a preimage. Therefore, this is a 1 and onto function. 1 and onto function. Students, have you all understand about types of function? What is 1 function? Whether it is a 1 function? Yes, is it? Whether it is a onto function? Yes. Okay, both also have means 1 and onto function. Okay. Have you all understand about the types of function? What is 1 function? Yeah. Distinct elements of A have distinct image in B means that is 1 function. What's another name? Injection. Next, what is onto function? Onto function. Every element in B has a preimage means that is a onto function. Is it? Next, what is many one function? Many one function. More than one element in A have same image in B. Okay. So means that is a which one? Many one function. More than one element in A have same image in B means that is 1 and onto many one function. Next, what is into function? Yeah, range is the subset of the codomain. Okay, range is equal to codomain means that is onto function. Here range is the subset of the codomain means that is which one? Which function? Into function. Clear, students? Okay. Now I am going to explain about the horizontal line test. Okay, after explaining, we can see the problem. Horizontal line test. Already you have learned in the previous classes, you have learned about vertical line test. What is vertical line test? When we will be use the vertical line test? Yeah, the given function, the given relation is a function or not. If we want to find out the given relation is function or not, we can use vertical line test. Is it? Or if the graph is, the given graph is one function or not, if you want to find out, we have to use vertical line test. Is it? The horizontal line test, a function represented in a graph is 1, 1. Okay, the given graph is 1, 1 or not. If you want to find out, we have to use the horizontal line test. Okay, a given function is 1, 1 or not. If you want to find out, we have to use the horizontal line test. A function represented in a graph is 1, 1 if every horizontal line intersects the curve in at most one point. What is horizontal line? Parallel. If like this we are drawing, no, that is horizontal line. Vertical line means like this we are drawing, no, that is vertical line. Horizontal line intersect the curve in at most one point means that is which function? 1, 1 function. Have you all understand this? Okay. Now I am going to explain example 1.12. Using horizontal line test, determine which of the following functions are 1, 1. Okay, using horizontal line test, determine which of the following functions are 1, 1. Here, this is the coordinates. Here, this is the graph. Is it the graph? Here, it is the coordinate. Here it is the graph. Next, third one, it is the coordinate. It is the graph. We have to determine which of the following functions are 1, 1. Okay, which of the following functions are 1, 1, like that we have to determine that. Listen. Now, first graph. You see that horizontal line. We have to, what is horizontal line? The curve parallel to x-axis is called horizontal line. Is it? Now, we can draw a horizontal line in this graph. Okay. Vertical line means this, like in the vertical line intersect at one point means that is a function. Here it is a function only. Vertical line will be intersecting one point only. So it is a function only. Whether it is a 1, 1 or not, we have to check. I'm drawing a horizontal line. Horizontal line. Anywhere, any one place you have to draw a horizontal line. Now, the horizontal line intersects the graph at only one point. That is P. Is it? The horizontal line intersects the graph at only one point, P. So, it is a which function? Therefore, it is a 1, 1 function. Okay, the curve represents at 1, 1 function as the horizontal line meets the curve in only one point, P. Represent at a only one point. Represent a 1, 1 function. 1, 1 function as the horizontal line meets the curves in only one point. Meets the curve in only one point. Only one point, P. Okay. Next, Second question. We can draw a horizontal line. When we are drawing horizontal line, the horizontal line intersects how many places? 3 places. P, Q, R. Okay. The curve does not represent a 1-1 function. Does not represent a 1-1 function. Function since the horizontal line intersects the curve at 3 points. The horizontal line it intersects the curve at 3 points P, Q and R. Therefore, it is not a 1-1 function. Okay, the curve does not represent a 1-1 function. The horizontal line intersects the curve at 3 points P, Q and R. Okay, next third question. Whether it is a 1-1 function. Yeah, the curve. First we can draw a which one? Horizontal line. Horizontal line, when we are drawing anywhere, you have to draw a horizontal line. Only one point P. It represents only one point P. The curve represents a 1-1 function. Why it is a 1-1 function? As the horizontal line meets the curve in only one point. Have you all understand, students? Any doubt in here? Okay, have you all understand about today's portion? Types of function. 1-1 function. What is 1-1 function? A distinct element in A have distinct image in B means that is 1-1 function. Next, what is many-one function? 2 or more elements in A have a same image in B means that is which function? Many-one function. Next, what is onto function? Every element in A have a image, pre-image. B have a pre-image means that is a which function? Onto function. Every element in B have a pre-image. In other words, we can say range is equal to codomain means that is a which function? Onto function. Next, what is into function? Yeah, range is the subset of codomain means that is the into function. What is onto 1-1 and onto function? Yeah, distinct element in A have distinct image in B and next range is equal to the codomain means that is which one? 1-1 and onto function. Next, horizontal line test. The horizontal line meets the curve at most one point means that is which one? 1-1 function. Otherwise, that is not a 1-1 function. Have you all understand this? Any doubt in here? Okay, students, you have to learn this definition, types of function, everything. Okay, thank you, students.